Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we unravel the secrets of the digital world. Today, we're diving deep into a programming language that's taking the tech landscape by storm, Python. Join us for an insightful 2-hour journey as we explore the incredible versatility of Python and its impact on our lives and careers. Python isn't just a programming language. It's a gateway to endless possibilities. From web development to data science, and even areas you might not expect, Python's influence is undeniable. Whether you're a curious beginner or an experienced programmer, this video is your roadmap to understanding why Python is not just a language but a lifestyle. So, buckle up as we venture into the world of Python, guided by two friends who share their personal experiences, job opportunities, and the myriad ways Python has transformed their lives. Let's kick off this enlightening journey into the realm of Python.
Hey, have you ever thought about how Python has become this universal programming language that seems to be everywhere?
Oh, absolutely. Python has become like the Swiss Army knife of programming languages. It's versatile and incredibly useful in various aspects of our lives.
Totally. I mean, I've heard it's widely used in web development. How does that work?
You're right. Python's simplicity and readability make it a great choice for building web applications. Frameworks like Django and Flask streamline the process, letting developers create robust and interactive websites faster than you'd imagine.
So, it's all about making websites look cool and work seamlessly?
Exactly. From e-commerce platforms to social media sites, Python powers the backend operations that make these sites functional, secure, and user-friendly.
Got it. But I've also heard Python is a big player in data science. How does it fit in there?
Python is a rock star in data science. Libraries like NumPy, Pandas, and matplotlib provide powerful tools for data manipulation, analysis, and visualization. It's the go-to language for anyone diving into machine learning, AI, or data analytics.
That's cool. But does it have any applications outside of tech fields?
Absolutely. Python's versatility shines in fields like scientific research, finance, and even creative industries. Its ease of use and extensive libraries make it a tool for problem-solving across the board.
And what about job opportunities? Is Python a ticket to good careers?
Without a doubt. Python's demand in the job market is off the charts. From software development to data analysis and beyond, employers value Python skills. And guess what? It's not limited to tech companies. Businesses of all types need Python-savvy professionals.
That's reassuring. But is it beginner-friendly?
Absolutely. Python's syntax reads like plain English, making it an excellent starting point for beginners. It's like the perfect entryway into the world of coding.
Makes sense. But how do you think Python has affected your life personally?
Well, Python has given me the power to automate tasks. From scripting repetitive actions to analyzing data for informed decisions, Python has made my life more efficient and productive.
And for me, it's about creativity. I'm into game development, and Python lets me experiment quickly and turn my ideas into games without getting bogged down by complex code.
That's the beauty of it. Python empowers us to express our ideas without being limited by technical hurdles.
So, wrapping up, what would you tell someone considering learning Python?
I'd say go for it. Whether you're looking to boost your career prospects, dive into data science, or simply make your life easier, Python is your friend. It's a language that opens doors and encourages innovation.
Couldn't agree more. Python isn't just a language, it's an enabler of possibilities.
Absolutely. So, to all the potential Pythonistas out there, go ahead and embark on this journey. You won't regret it.